Hello friends, this is Sai Prakash. In the previous session, we have discussed about problems regarding resistance and concept of temperature coefficient of resistance. In this session, I would like to discuss about problems on temperature coefficient of resistance, and at the end of the session, I would like to give you the questions regarding these topics. Before this, please go through the previous video for the better understanding. Please do watch the classes regularly. Friends, this question is related to temperature coefficient of resistance. The resistance of the field winding of a DC machine at 0 degrees is 120 ohms. What will be its resistance at a working temperature of 55 degrees centigrade and the temperature coefficient of copper is 0.0043 per degree centigrade at 0 degrees centigrade. They have given the temperature, initial temperature equal to 0 degrees centigrade. Temperature equal to 0 degrees centigrade, that is equal to T1. Temperature at 0 degree centigrade, the resistance is 120 ohms. This is R0. Temperature at 55 degrees centigrade, that is R55, we have to find. They have given the temperature coefficient of resistance of copper is 0.0043 per degree centigrade at 0 degrees centigrade. Therefore, they have given alpha naught. Alpha naught equal to 0.0043 per degree centigrade. We know RT equal to R naught into 1 plus alpha naught into T. We know T is equal to 55 degrees centigrade and alpha naught equal to 0.0043 per degree centigrade and R naught of 120 ohms. And we have to find the RT. I am substituting the values in the equation. So 120 into 1 plus 0.0043 into temperature of 55 degrees centigrade. Alpha naught will be in per degree centigrade, whereas temperature is in centigrade. So centigrade gets cancelled. So this will be of no units and 1 is of no units. So resistance will be in ohms. So 120 into 1 plus 43 into 55 divided by 10,000. By solving this, we will get 148.4 ohms. Friends, for this question, the resistance of a coil of wire increases from 40 ohms at 10 degrees to 48.25 ohms at 60 degrees. Find the temperature coefficient of resistance at 0 degrees of the conductor. We have to find the alpha naught, that is temperature coefficient of resistance at 0 degrees. They have given the resistance, that is R1 equal to 40 ohms at temperature 10 degrees centigrade. They have given the resistance R2 equal to 48.25 ohms at 60 degrees centigrade. We know RT equal to R naught into 1 plus alpha naught into T, where RT is resistance at T degrees centigrade and R naught is resistance at 0 degrees centigrade. This is the reference temperature. Reference temperature is either 0 degrees or we can take 20 degrees centigrade. In this we have take reference temperature as 0 degrees. So we know I am substituting R1 equal to R naught into 1 plus alpha naught into T1. I am taking 10 degrees as T1 and 60 degrees as T2. So R2 equal to R naught into 1 plus alpha naught into T2. I am taking this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. I am dividing 1 with 2. From this I will get R1 by R2 equivalent to 1 plus alpha naught into T1 into R naught divided by 1 plus alpha naught into T2 into R naught. R naught get cancelled. We know R1 equal to 40 and RT equal to 48.25. That is equal to 1 plus. We have to find the alpha naught. So alpha naught into T1 of 10 degrees centigrade divided by 1 plus alpha naught into T2 is 60 degrees centigrade. I am reciprocating it. So 48.25 divided by 40 equal to 1 plus alpha naught into 60 divided by 1 plus alpha naught into 10. By solving this we will get 1.20625, that is equal to 1 plus alpha naught into 60 divided by 1 plus alpha naught into 10. So I am multiplying this with this. So 1 plus alpha naught into 10 into 1.20625 equivalent to 1 plus alpha naught into 60. So from this 47.9375 into alpha naught equivalent to 0.20625. By this we will get alpha naught equal to 0.20625 divided by 47.9375. By solving this we will get alpha naught equal to 0.0043 per degree centigrade. We have got alpha naught, that is temperature coefficient of resistance, at 0 degrees centigrade equivalent to 0.0043 per degree centigrade. This is Sai Prakash signing off. Please stay tuned to our channel. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video. Please subscribe our channel. Please watch the videos until the end of the session. If you like the video, please do comment on the comment box. If you have any doubt regarding the topics, you can use the comment box or you can use the group link in the description. Thank you for watching this video, friends. I hope you enjoy the video.